Okay, guys. Assalamualaikum, guys. We're going to start shortly. Just a moment. Just give me one minute. Just 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Zahin, got any questions for me, Zahin? No, any questions?
Yeah, okay. Can you help me, guide me through my homework 2 questions?
Okay, you WhatsApp me your question, Ken. Ilhan, got any questions, Ilhan? No. You look fresher today, Ilhan. That's good. Hey, Ilhan, on Tuesday, we have to change it to Wednesday for this week. Can it be at 7 p.m. because the girl cannot make it? So 7 or 7:30, so it's no problem. Okay. I'll wait for you lah. You see what time. So this week is Wednesday, not Tuesday. So sad. And we are waiting for. You're gonna send me a picture, Mr. Zahin. You're gonna show me on the screen. Mishan. Okay, I think he has sent me. I can hear some sound there. Let me see. Yeah. Okay, so sing it. Okay, never mind. Sing it. So it's okay. Okay, let's see. Yeah. We go one by one first. Okay, I'll share screen. Can you see this is saying it? So now I'm gonna use tools. Okay, is it correct direction? Correct, Okay, let's see now. So ratio, Mrs. Ha had some blue and red buttons in a ratio of 4:7 at first. After buying 29 blue buttons and 8 red buttons, she had the same number of blue and red buttons. So now, okay, let us see. I'm going to just write on top here. Can I write here? So we read through to understand, okay? Mrs. Ha had some blue and red buttons. So blue down here is 4, red is 7. Well done. Okay, this is correct. This one is correct. After buying some 29, now she buy 29 blue buttons. You see, blue down here is lesser. So down here, your model is not bad lah. Okay, we draw something like that lah. This is at the end. At the end, they have the same. Correct? So now, down here now, blue, now you have 4 lah. Let's say down here. This is 4, okay? So blue, this is B, Down here, you have to buy 29 buttons. Whereas for red is 7. So this is 4 down here. Let's say 5, 6, 7 somewhere here. Roughly lah. Agak-agak lah. Okay, this one is. So now down here, this is red. And he bought how many? 8 buttons. So your step you must do is to find what is this tree, Zahin. This tree down here, Can you see this tree here? How to find this tree? Oh, very simple. How to find the tree is very simple. 29 minus 8, you get your answer. 29 minus 8 is 21. This tree is equals to 21. Can you see now? 21 plus 8 is 29. Can you see now, Zahin? 21 plus 8 is 29. Can? So this tree is 21 now. So 3 units equals 21, you can solve already. Okay? You know how to do it? Zahin, know how to do? Still don't know? This one you understand or not? This one. 29 minus, okay, now we only look at this one on here. We only look at this part on here. I'm going to draw on the board, okay? I'm Here now, watch. So now look here. You have from here to here is 29. Then you got 3 down here. I'm only cutting out this 3 part down here. Let's say the 3 might be more. Let's say that. And down here is 8. Okay, if let's say now for Ilhan, let's say you want to say this is X lah. X, something like that. But we call it 3 units now. 3 units plus 8 equals to 29. 3 units plus 8, 1, 2, 3 plus 8 is the same as 29. If so, how much is this now? If this is 8, this one must be how much? Blank plus 8 equals to 29. How much, Shaheed?
29 minus 8 final.
21, right? Down here, there is this 3 units is 21 lah. Correct? So 3 units, 21, 1 unit, 21 divided by 3 plus 7. So this is 7, 7. Now you can do already. Can do? You understand?
How to find the F first? That's the only part I don't understand.
Okay. So you find out at first now down here got down here is 4, right? Right? Down here is 7. So this is what they buy, right? So at first now it's okay, 7, 7, 7. So 7, 7, 7, 7. Down here 28 lah. So whoever got 28 at first, this one 7, 7, 7, 7. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 7. This one got 49 at first. Finish. Get it? Oh, he's staring. You get it? You get it?
So you add them both.
Did they? What the question asked? Let me see. The question asked, how many items did Mrs. Ho have at first? Yeah, add them both lah. Because at first got red and blue, right? So you have to add. Okay, okay. We have to give you a question. So we try the next question now. The next question. This one, Ilhan, you try to do. So let me see. Down here. This one, we close. To put it there. Ilhan can see the, cannot see it. Okay, this one, Ilhan. You try to do this one. I just did this question, I think, Jadi. Okay, try. So I read first. At first, this is correct lah. Okay, we mark Zahin's work. This is correct. Then Bernice will spend 20. Alice will spend 20. Bernice will receive 10. Now both of them have the same amount of money. What does it mean? You try. You need some paper to do this, Ilhan. You try. Ilhan, Zain, you can draw a model for the next one. Are you okay, Zain? Am I going too fast? You draw a model. Ilhan, you try to draw a model for them. You can draw this. If you are not so sure, I can help you draw. So you know at first it's 5:4. So you draw lah. You can draw also if you want to. Okay, one down here. Alice, Alice got 5. Bernice, okay, so 5. 1. Roughly lah. Roughly, okay. Okay, so not drawn to scale. This is a little bit too big lah. Eraser. Aduh, erase means one shot lah. Tak apa lah. Baik, pen lagi, pen. Okay, see down here. Okay, now this is Alice. This is Bernice. Now Alice is going to do what? She's going to spend $20. Let's say this is $20, let's say. Let's say this part on here is $20. So I label this one $20. Then Bernice received 10. Let's say this one is the 10. 10. We draw dotted line. So this one, let's say, is 10. So can you see this one is $10. Tak boleh lah. A little bit slow drawing with this. This one is $10. So you notice down here is 10, down here is 20. Can you see not? Down here is 10, down here 20. That means 1 unit is how many? 1 unit is 10 plus 20 is equal to 1 unit. Once you know that, you know how to do already. Can you see not? Down here she spent 20. This one spent got 10. Then they got the same amount. That means this is 30. What? 20 plus 30. So 30. Okay, if you don't get it, I have to show you down here. Did I disappear? Disappeared, is it? I disappeared. So sorry. Okay, we try again. I was explaining. I didn't know. I just changed my Wi-Fi. Okay. So now at first, this is Alice. Got 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bernice got 1, 2, 3, 4. Alice spent $20. So this $20 is gone. Okay, down here is gone. No more $20. But originally there was $20 here. Now no more $20 now. Then she got $10. So that means this 1 unit, 1 unit is equals to $10 plus $20. 1 unit is equals to $30. Once you know this, you can solve. You want to find what?
In the front answer 120.
120, let's see. How much money did Bernice have at first? So Bernice, this one's 30, 120, correct? Because this $10 is not counted. Easy? Quite easy. No problem. No problem. Thank you. Nampak Ina. Okay, can ah? Okay, now we are going to go through CA1. Okay, we have to try your best lah. Try your best. All right, we will run through. And Ilhan, any questions you don't know? Zahin, any questions you don't know? Make sure that every Sunday, because there's only 2 of you, so you take advantage of this. Some of the classes there's 5, there's 4. It might be a little bit too noisy lah. So now we go to this. So this is the P6 one. Let us see. Okay, you try these 2 first. These 2 questions. This is plus, plus, minus, minus. Ilhan, what's the answer for question 1? Can Ilhan? Question number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Zahin, you finish, eh? Question 1, what's the answer, Zahin?
6B plus 4.
Okay, let's see whether it says the answer is 2. What do you think, Ilhan?
My answer is number 4. I mean number 3.
Number 3, okay. Let us see. Zahin also focus. Zahin, now here come we check. Now, Ilhan and Zahin come. We look. Okay. Can you see now? Oh no, I cannot see. Can you see this one now? This cannot see. So sorry. I try again. Watch. Now, astaghfirullah. How come this thing is
Wait,
here?
number 2 plus or divide?
Number 2, which one? Hold on. Number 2 for which one?
Number 1.
Both of them plus lah. There's no divide.
Then number 2.
Number 2, okay. So let us see. Down here, make sure that you group them together. So this 7B plus B is 8B. The sign is in front. Zahin, notice the sign is in front. Zahin, you can see. The sign is in front. 7B plus B, 8B. 8B minus 2B is already 6B. Then you got 8 minus 4. Answer is 4 positive because the answer is bigger here. So this is correct. The next one then. The next one, Ilhan and Zahin, what's the next one? I'm just going to remove the thing again. Sorry. Okay. What's the answer for number 2? Ilhan, answer, Zahin, what's the answer? Come again. Ilhan, you got answer?
$35.
35 degrees. Zahin, what about Ilhan? What do you think? While you're doing this, let's see, we can move up. You can do the next one, Zahin. Number 3, can you see? Okay, Ilhan, come.
Question number 3 is 3:4.
Okay, let's see. Okay, Ilhan now. Down here now, we know this is, we want to find S. This is straight line. So from here to here is 180 degrees. What is this angle, Ilhan? Can see this one.
45.
No, not 45. Look. You
Okay.
see, 28. You see, you have a scissors like that. Huh? This will always be equals to this. So this one is 28. So take 180 degrees minus 28 minus 117, you get 35. Okay, get it? All right, we'll move on to the next one. So we try the next one. I got to remove this. Hold on, start again. So Zahin, you do the next one. Ratio number of boys to number of girls to number of boys.
3:4.
3:4. Okay, we ask Ilhan, how many girls are there? Class got 42, boys 24, girls how many?
42 minus 24.
Okay, equals to 16 plus 2, 18. So number girl 18, number boys is 24, right? So you do like that. You can reduce. Both can divide by 6 again. Some cannot divide by 4. Divide by 6, how much you get? 18 divided by 6? 3.
3 and
4. So correct, this one is okay. Okay, we move on to the next one again. All right, we move on to here. You try, so what's your answer for this one, Zahin?
34.
34. Okay, let's see. We just check. 34. 6 times 7, 42. 42 plus 6 is 48. 2 times 7, 14 plus 34. Okay, we will do this one now. Number 5. Both are number 5. If you do not know how to do, we replace this with, to find out the steps, 10 kg here. And then let's say this one is 2 kg.
12. The answer is 12.
12. Okay, let's see. We wait for Ilhan. So if you cannot do, you imagine it's like that. So
I
how?
got the same thing.
Okay, so you take, see, okay, first we take the simple one, 10 divided by 2 get 5. So same thing. Take 3/4 divide by 1/16. All right. So 3/4 divide, change to times, right? Times 16/1. So you get, 12. Cancel 4, cancel 4. You get 3 times 4 is 12. Well done. Okay. Okay, you try this then. Oh,
The answer 720.
Mr. Shaheed, your mic is mute.
yes. I've been talking to you, Ilhan, and I didn't know it was off. So sorry. Okay, so Ilhan, if you have something like this, Jerry had 4/5 the amount Kumar have. 4 is for Jerry, 5 is for Kumar. So we can write now 4 is to 5 here. So now this one we got to make it the same. So how to make it the same? Well, this one you can times by 3 to make it 12. This one you can times by 4 to make it 12. Then it becomes the same, see? But if you times this by 4, down here also must times 4. And if you times this by 3, down here also must times by 3. So what do you get? 4 times 2 is 8 down here. This one is 12, right? 12. And this one, 5 times 3, 15. Now you have a ratio for Ben, Jerry, and Kumar. Say they tell you now, they compare between Kumar and Ben. Kumar and Ben. Kumar had 420 more than Ben. Where Kumar got 15, Ben got 8. So Kumar is 15 units, Ben is 8 units. What's the difference? Difference is 15 minus 8.
7.
7. 15 minus 8. So you must get the 15 minus 8 down here.
7 unit 420.
So 7 units 420. So 1 unit is how much? 60, is it? 1 unit, how much you get?
60. Then find 12 units.
Okay. So down here, I do step by step again. Divide minus 8. Why minus 8? Because Kumar had more than Ben. 15 is Kumar, Ben is 8. 15 minus 8, you get 7. So 7 is the equals to 420. 7 units, 420. 1 unit, you divide, you get 60 lah. So 1 unit, I put U here lah. 1 unit is 60. 420 divided by 7 is 60. Now what is the question I ask you? How much did Jerry have? Well, Jerry got 12. So 12 times 60, is it, are you sure it's 720?
720.
Yes,
Yeah.
720. So these are questions. If you still don't get it, you must try to do on your own. Okay, we move on to the next one again. Hold on. I do that to clear the thing. Percentage. Can you try percentage? All right. Are you able to get it? We go step by step. Zahin can do, Zahin. Zahin can do?
I can, but I don't understand the question.
Okay, so we go step by step. Same thing for Mr. Ilhan. Now, 100%, this is 100%. Okay, we got to understand clearly. 100% is the original price. So you got a 20% discount. So you have to pay how much? You have to pay only 80%. So you can put 80%, 80 over 100. If you want to write it this way, you can find how much is to be paid times $50. Now, again, I explain. This is the magic, so-called magic formula down here. This one will always be 1. What you want to find is 80% of what? Of the $50. So you will get $40. You will get $40. Confirm you will get $40. $40. So now $40 is not the amount of money you will pay. No, you have to pay plus the GST. G stands for goods, services, tax. This money now the government will collect. How many percent? 7%. So you find what is 7% of $40 lah, times 40. Then after you plus together. Okay. So this down here, cancel 1 0, cancel 1 0. Divide by 2, you get 2. Divide by 2, you get 5. You get 5 down here. Can you calculate? You get 5 down here. 7 times 2, 14. 14 divided by 5. How much is that?
$2.80.
280. So you plus these two lah. Because this is the tax. You must remember in Singapore and many other countries in the world, there's such a thing as GST. That means if someone sells you $100, let's say a bicycle, you buy $100, you must pay more than 100. You pay $107. The $7 will go to the government. So now you have to pay extra 280. Yes, you pay to the shop. The shop have to pass the money to the government. So it's $42.80. This is the after 20% discount. This is the tax GST. Okay, so we we try the next one. Ilhan, okay, no Ilhan? Okay, we try the next one. You try two sums. These two. Okay, they want you to find, yeah, JLK and the thing. Just a moment. Are you got the answer for question number 8?
61.
61. What about 61? What about Ilhan? What's your answer? He says 61. Let us see. 61. I'm not too sure. Ilhan, you're upside down. I'll get a headache. What happened to your Spider-Man? I saw the kissing scene in Spider-Man when the person was upside down. Okay. So Ilhan, as we go for this one, Ilhan. You do this one. Yes. Okay. So put in the value. Okay, how to do this type of question? I'm going to teach you the secondary version. Let's see. You put 8. You put a bracket like that. Okay. Then plus again down here. Thank you. Down here you can put a bracket also if you want to bracket again. Every time there's a blank you're going to fill in, you can use a bracket this way. This is like a secondary method. Is actually safer lah. You put like that. So now we will check. Let us check. Now, but you got to put in the value.
My answer is wrong. It's 58.
58. Okay. So we put the 7 inside. Ilhan, don't fall asleep, right, Ilhan? Put the 7 here. Put the 7 here. Okay, Ilhan, you tell me now. What is this, Ilhan? 8 times 7. You answer? See, before you give answer, right? 56 plus. Down here, you remove the bracket. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 divided by 2. What's your answer? 10 divided by 2, Ilhan? Ilhan, 10 divided by 2. 5. I think you say weight or something. So, plus 5 minus 3. So, 61 minus 3 is 58 lah. Correct. Okay, 58 lah. Okay, I cannot write the thing. Okay, 58 lah. So, you know. So, now we move on to the next one. Don't be so bored lah, Ilhan. You're sitting that way, you're going to feel very bored lah. Don't be bored lah, mister. Don't be bored lah. I'll become bored also. Okay, you try. You know what's a trapezium, right? Has 2 parallel lines. This is down here, 2 parallel lines. Okay. Anyone got answer? JLK. First of all, which one is JLK? Ilhan, can you indicate on the you know how to indicate on the thing where is JLK? Ilhan, indicate on the screen. You can indicate on the screen. Cannot. Cannot. Okay, JLK is normally the middle one, right? L. So where's L here? So JLK down here. So down here we are looking at just this one down here. We want the yellow angle here. Okay, so what is the yellow angle? Okay, you all try lah. JLK. Try to find. It's very simple. You can use the Z. Give you a clue. Can use the Z. See, what is the Z? What is the Z? Z is like ding, ding, ding. This angle equals to this angle. If this is parallel to this. You can see the Z. I will see. You can use the Z for that. Zahin, what's your answer, Zahin? Cannot. Hey, look at this, boys.
I
Boys.
forgot. I don't know how to do.
Okay, look. Okay, look. Ilhan can do it, Ilhan.
This 66.
66. Okay, let's see whether you're correct. Can you see this Z not? This is parallel. Watch out. Alamak. Sorry lah, this one. The Z not drawn properly lah. Aduh, not drawn properly. Can you see not this one? Okay, sorry sir. I going to use another one. I use this one. Ni marker. This one. Okay ya. Tak boleh. How tak boleh ya? Sorry.
Is it 42?
Could be 42. Could be 42. Let's see. You're right now. This one and this one down here. Can you see the Z here? Is parallel. So this one now is equal to this one. So first of all, you need to find just this angle only. Which angle? This angle. You need to find this one only. Zain. You find this angle and you'll be okay. Because this angle and this angle
180 minus
36
the
minus 1 or 2, you get 42. Am I correct? You get 42, right? Yeah, then 42 is the answer lah. So okay, not so difficult. What is more difficult is inside your head, what you think. Many things in life people think is difficult. I think there was once this story of, you know who's Harry Houdini? Harry Houdini, you know? Okay, I'll show you all who's Harry Houdini. Okay, this one is sometimes important for you all to know lah. Okay, down here can you see? Now I write Harry Houdini. Harry Houdini or Houdini. He is this is the guy. He used to do a lot of escape now. You see, you can see him down here. He's now inside this thing now here. He's chained up. Can you see that? Chained up. They will throw him inside the river, no? See, he's chained up. They'll throw him down here. You can see this one. He's now, they put him in chain. Down here you can see. They will throw him inside the river and he will try to escape. So all the time he's escaping. You can see this one down here. They will throw him inside the river, same thing. Or put him inside a box, he will escape. And he was able to escape from everything. One day they put him at Alcatraz. You know what's Alcatraz? In the US, there's this prison called Alcatraz. No one has escaped from it. So they put him inside the jail, inside the cell. He tried all, he have all the keys, especially tried to turn, cannot. And then out of exhaustion, he collapsed on the door of the jail, suddenly opened up. The door was not even locked. He could just open up and go out, but in his mind, he thought it's locked. You know, if you try your own door, if the door is not locked, you try to open one, you cannot open because it's not locked. So it's all sometimes in the mind. The point is, it's in the mind now. So you must also be able to believe that you can do it. That's the important thing. If you believe you cannot do it, habis. Okay, please try this then. Quite easy, this one is quite easy. You must know which one to do first. I think I need to share with you some interesting stuff. Otherwise, you'll fall asleep. The next one I will share. I'll write the word here. And this one, don't be scared when I share this. But we wait for you to... Come, you try first. You try your math stuff first while I write the word. Human combustion. Okay, what's the answer there? Any boys? Any answer? Anyone? Chia-yo. Ilhan should be able to understand Chinese, right? Your mother is Mrs. Tan, no? Madam Tan, right? So you can speak Chinese, lah. Yes, What is Chia-yo? Don't know. Cannot. It's not real Chinese.
134.
134. Let's see now. This one on here. Ilhan, 63 divided by 9. What's this one we do first? These two. Oh, still doing. Okay, you do first. Still
120.
120. Okay, so 63 divided by 9, what do you get? 7? 7 times 6, 42.
42.
So now you are supposed to minus then plus. So down here, 99 minus 7, you get 92. 92 plus 42. How much is this? 92 plus 42, how much is it?
134.
134. So again, we do step by step. Down here, we have minus, divide, plus, times. Do the times and divide. To do on the left one first. So left is divide, we do this first, get 7. Then you do the times. Then after that, you do from left to right. 99 minus 7 is 92. Then 92 plus 42, you get 134. Okay, the answer is 134. Okay, just to keep you awake, because I think you look a little bit bored. Have you heard of human combustion? Heard before? Not? Have you heard?
I heard of no, but I watch like anime, it's a Japanese cartoon.
About
Got that
human.
word.
What is that?
Don't know, got like dot and two. I don't know. I don't
Okay,
know
I
how
show
to
you.
explain.
I show you. Don't be scared by this, Hey boys, can I show you or you will be scared? This is true. This is in the, I don't know what files are. Human intern is actually, the full name is called internal. Internal means inside. Human, you're human, right? Combustion, can see combustion is burning. So there have been cases like this lady, for example, or this one. They found the legs only. They do not know why the whole body can burn. All right, down here, they found down here, this guy suddenly is just burning. He's staying at home, doing nothing, and he burned. The person just burned. They find the body like that. This example, the body. They can't explain. You see, if you are smoking a cigarette, it can't be a whole body burn, correct? Let's say at most you burn only in the mouth lah. This one, the whole body is burned except for the legs. What is causing it? The investigators do not know. It is called what? Internal human combustion. Combustion is burning. Why do such things happen? I myself don't know. Maybe you may want to find out why it's happening. Is that the same thing that they told you in the anime, Zahid? Same thing. Same also. They show people who burn just like that. Okay. Normally, we can't really see the fire lah. It's just the thing burning. I do not know what it is. Okay. Anyway, let us move on to the next one. Okay. Okay, this is a string. Is bent to form the shape below. We want to find what is length QR. And I myself got to think about this. 3 squares. Okay, got it. It's a trick question. It's a trick question. Be careful. Clue. Think in terms of set. Think in terms of set. Then you can do this. Anyone? Can you see there's 3 squares? 1 square, 2 squares, 3 squares. Let's count the number of lines. There's 4 lines to each square. 4 lines to the second square. 4 lines to, and they want you to find 1 line from each. This is from 1 square. This one is from this square. And this one from the last one from this square. So I can do what? What can I do? I want to label them lah. What are you gonna? I call this A. One side I call A. This one I call B, and B. The last next one I call C. They want you to find what is ABC. QR is ABC. So can try, Ilhan, wake up lah, lama tidur. Aduh, this boy. How come you go to tidur lah? Ilhan, come. This one now. ABC, I want you to find what ABC. What is ABC? Look, how many sets are there? How many ABC are there? Okay, we count. How many ABCs are there? I'm going to write it down here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many B's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many C's? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to arrange it this way. This is the same as ABC plus ABC plus ABC plus ABC. Oh, there's 4 ABCs. Correct lah, 4 sets. I just divide this by 4. 68 divided by 4, I get my answer. I get how much? I get
27.
27. I think 17, Divide by 4, not divide by 3, 17, right? 17 times 4 is 68. So notice, can you see the pattern I'm talking about? Can see, Zahin can see not? You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm doing here? Yes, So if you cannot see, I'll show you on the board. Ilhan can see not? Ilhan is too tired already lah. Zahin can see? Or you need me to show on the board? You no need, okay. So no need to show on the board. Okay, can you try please? Just simple, this is divide, Divide, Give your answer in simplest form, please. Zahin, what's answer?
1/3.
1 and 1/3, Okay, all of you got it, right? Congratulations, well done. Don't need to show, This now, you got to try this one. Find the value of Z. Can do? This is a good question. This is a secondary school question. Give it a primary 6. Zahin, what's the answer? Ilhan, your answer? Am I going too fast? Ilhan, you got answer, Ilhan? Zahin, got answer? What's your answer, Zahin?
I don't know.
Okay, so very simple. First day. First day, how many cups did you sell? 7Z, is it correct? Yeah, good. Second day, how many cups did you sell?
8 to 20.
8 minus 20, 8Z minus 20. Okay, so we write like 8Z minus 20. So now total, how many is the total? Total he sell, we know, we add them together lah. First day is 7.
15Z minus 20.
15Z minus 20, good. And this 15Z minus 20 is equals to 550. So now I'm going to just show it here because at primary 6 sometimes students may not know how to do. You just use the seesaw lah. If you're not so sure seesaw, this is balance. 15Z minus 20, this is Z, yeah, is equals to 550. Now, how to make it balance? It's short of 20, you must plus 20. You plus 20, you become 15Z. Because it's short of, if let's say I draw a model, this is, let's say 15 parts. Now here's 15Z. Minus 20 means it's below. I add the 20, I make it 15. So I must add 20 down on this side. I must also add 20 on this side. That means 15Z equals to 570. Z or 1Z is equal to 570 divided by 15 equals to 38. But do you understand this part? Why I must plus 20? Zahin, you understand? No. Ilhan, I just show you this one. You all know, you should know. Yeah? 15Z at secondary school is like that, you know. Minus 20, you bring over, become plus 20. Okay, like that. So 15Z is equals to 570. Now in slow motion, I show you slow motion. This is the explanation. 15Z, let's say plus 2 is equals to, let's say equals to 17. How to get rid of this plus 2? I minus the 2 I minus 2 becomes plus 2 minus 2 becomes 0. If I minus 2 here, I must also minus 2 here. And on the seesaw now, I got 15Z. And then there's plus a 2 kg ball is equals to 17. I remove the ball. That means I minus 2. I must also minus 2 here. This one you understand? So now, if I'm short, 15Z minus 20 is equals to 550. Now, it's not 15Z. I have to plus 20. Why? What happened? When I plus 20, this one becomes 0. 20 minus 20 becomes 0. Then become 15Z. That means I must also plus 20 here. Become 570. No. Zahin, you get? No. Ilhan, you get? Ilhan, okay, we try again. Now, we're going to ask Ilhan. X plus 1 equals to 7. What is X? Zahin. What is X? Okay, well done, Mr. Ilhan, you know. Okay, now I give you this one.
Eight.
Good. What do? You take this one plus this one, correct? Correct. So now I give you like that. Watch. What is this?
Five hundred thirty.
No, 530 minus 20 becomes 510. That's then you forgot what you did. When you're minus 1, you say you go and say this one's 8, not 6. Why? Because you plus this one together.
570.
70. Okay. Now I write down what is here. Just now they say 15Z minus 20 equals to 550. Now I put a blank. You say this is 570. Oh, correct lah. 15Z equals to 570. Okay lah. Are you okay? You understand this one? Now you find what is 1Z lah. Equals to divide, I think get 38. You get it? Get it, eh? Okay, now we go to the next one now. Okay, we guys got a few more. We try. This one. Careful, this is not the same as this. This is kg. This is of it. Of means times something. In this case, it's times 3 kg. Different, Careful, careful, Anyone got answer? Zain, you got?
I don't know how to find the rest.
What do you know how to find?
I do 2 out of 5 times 3 because they say 2/5 of it. The 8
Yes.
refers to 3 kg.
Okay, maybe it might be easier for you if we change all of these. Let's say you find it difficult to answer, change it to grams. Change it to grams. Then maybe you can see it clearly. This is 3,000 grams. 2/5 of it is how much? You find out, then you can put it in. Then this one is, this is 200 grams. This one is 200 grams. Maybe you might be able to understand it better. Because fraction can be a little bit tough. Confusing maybe. Another 20 minutes more. 20 minutes more. A while more, you can be in your bunny suit. I thought you were in your bunny suit for a while. Okay. How can do not? Just a little bit more. Never mind. We push ourselves a little bit more.
I don't understand the
Okay.
question they
Question.
asking.
Okay. So now NG, she bought 3,000 grams of chocolates. Yeah. First. Then she kept 2/5 for herself. 2/5 for herself. 2/5 of what? Of 3,000 grams. How much is this? You find out now 2/5.
1,200.
Okay, 1,200 times 3,000 equals to 1,200 grams. So how many grams are left of chocolate? How many grams left? How many grams?
1,800. Because I
Good.
take 3,000 minus 1,200.
Good. So 1,800. So this is now left. This is left. This is now shared. Shared among the children. So now, what we need to do, just take 1,800 divide. Okay, 1/5 kg. We try 1/5 kg is how much? 1/5 kg. How to find out? Very simple. 1/5 times 1 kg is 1,000. Equals to 200 grams. So this 1,800, they divide, each child get 200. So how many children are there? 1,800 divided by 200 lah. You get 9 children. And that's your answer. If you don't understand, I got to give you another question. So down here now, this balance is 1,800. Each child get 200, 200 until finish. So when they give out, each one will get 200. By the time they reach the last student, everything finished. So there's 9 students. You don't get it, right? I don't think you get it. Don't get it. Okay, so we have to do this one now. Yeah. We do this one. Ali had $20. He kept $8 for himself and gave $2 to every beggar. How many beggars did he give the $2 to? Okay, down here, he got $20. He kept $8 for himself. 20 minus
6.
8, get 12. Then how to find how many beggars? 12 divided by 2, because one fella get 2. Second person get 4. Another 2 get 4 already. Then 6, 8, 10, 12. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 persons can get. So you take 12 divided by 2 equals to 6. This is the answer. Now down here is the same thing. This one now 3 kg. Kept 1,000. Okay, 3 kg is 3,000 grams. Kept 1,200 grams for herself. Then gave each person, each child 200 grams. So first we do 3,000 minus 1,002 equals to 1,008. This is what you're going to give to the children. So how many children are there? 1,008 divided by 200 are same thing. You get 9. How? Same method. Mabuk, dua already mabuk already. Irhan poking the forehead today. But it's okay to poke the forehead. Irhan, do you get it? And Zahin? Zahin poking the forehead. Zahin, get it? Zahin, you get it? Like that. Okay. Like that. Okay, then we... The earlier one, do you get it? Earlier one, you get it? So now same method. This now is $20. Then we minus this one. You get $12. Then 12 divided by 2. This one is 1,800 divided by 200. Same method. Okay, if you don't, I will give you another one. Okay, maybe a simpler one. Ali had 2 kg of rice. He ate half kg of rice and gave half kg of rice each to his neighbors. How many neighbors did he give it to? So we have first of all 2 kg minus half kg, 1.5 left. This one is going to give 1.5 kg to the neighbors. You have one neighbor receive half kg, another one get another half kg. Half and half is already 1. A third 1.5 kg is already 1.5. So he can only give to 1, 2, 3 neighbors. How to get 3 neighbors from the formula? Very simple. This one he going to give the neighbor 1.5. How much going to give? Half. So now you write 3 over 2. 1.5 change to 3 over 2 divided by half. 3 over 2 times 2 over 1 equals to cancel 3. Okay, maybe too tired. We try. We'll move on to the next one. Okay, we try. The next time it comes, we try again. And you try next one. This one. Ratio. Remember, he did not give one of the markers away. He did not give the blue markers away. So make the blue marker number the same.
Can you hear me?
No, now yes. Can hear the music so. Zahin, what's the answer, Zahin? All right, we go one by one. Irhan can do that. 10. There's blue markers, there's purple markers. So I put blue is to purple. This is at first, first. Okay, first. 2 is to 3. Now, after that, last, this is last. Last, the blues to purple become what? Blue to purple becomes 3 is to 1. My question is, did the purple markers change? Yes, because he gave away 56 purple markers. The blue, nothing happened. So you must make this blue the same. So how to make it the same? You can do we can put it below here. So we can put it below. We can put it, we cannot see it here. We can put it below here. Okay, what we put it below? Okay, you can put it down here like that. This one is 3, 1, 3, 1. So you can make it what? What number? Oh, times by 3 lah. This one times by 2. Right? Sometimes so times by 3. Sometimes by 2. So what do you get? You get 6 at first. This B is to P. So this is 6 is to 9 at first. How 9? 3 times 3. 3 times 2 is 6. And then after that, what happened? It becomes 6 again. Blue doesn't change. 2 times 3, 6. But for this one, it becomes 2. How you get 2? 1 times 2. 1 times 2, you get 2. So notice blue doesn't change. Of course, blue doesn't change. But purple changed from 9 to 7. There is a drop of 7 units. So 7 units is equals to
56.
56.
1 unit 8.
1 unit is 8. Good. 1 unit is 8. So now the
But
answer
final answer 48.
48. Yes. So then you times by 8. Okay. All right now. Now it's okay to listen to music so long as you try lah. You must try your best to do the questions. Okay, now we try now. Question number 16.
The answer 160.
Cannot be so big. Must be less than 100. Children is 32. Girls, how many percent? Children is 32.
Oh, never mind.
How many girls are there? Boys 20. Girls
It is 68.
58%.
68.
68 is not correct now. Let me see. Do you take the boys or what? Let me see. What do you do? No. Okay, I'll show you in a moment. Zahin, what about you? Zahin can do? Percentage, girls? Very simple. Like that lah. Zain, what's answer? Zain, you can do a Zain. Okay, you just do that now. 12, because there's 12 girls, divide by 32 times 100. So you get
37.5 answer.
yeah, 37.5. So again, I run through a total number of children are 32. 20 boys. So you have to find girls. 32 divided by 12 equals to 32 divided by 20 equals to 12. Now, so there are 12 girls. You want to find the percentage of girls? 12 divided by 32 times 100. That's it. So if you must be able to know how to calculate percentage. Percentage is of the girls is 12. There's 12 girls over 100% is 32 times by 100 lah. Why is this 100? Because 100% is 32. So you will get 37.5. We've got one or two more questions to go. You try this. EAF. Anyone? EAF. This one, huh? We want to find this one. The yellow one.
Is the answer 98?
98. Hold on. It doesn't look 98, but hold on, let me check. FCB.
It can't be 98 because it's less than 90.
Yeah, that's 90. It doesn't look 90. Can you see this one? What's this angle?
Oh, is it 38?
38, yes, I think you're right. Congratulations. Zain can do?
Also 30 also. I take 180 minus 70 minus 72.
Yes, correct. So this is 72. Minus this 2, you get this one. So not too tough, huh? It's not too tough. We go for... Okay, this one. Number 20. Just hold on. You may need to draw this thing. If you draw, you can see. Right? If you draw, very simple this part. If you are confused what is what, remember, whenever you have this type of fractions, 3 units is for the breadth, 5 units is for the length. So in a perimeter, how many units are there altogether, Mr. Zahin? If 8 only, there's only one side. How come your rectangle give one length, one breadth? Cacat, cacat. One rectangle must have 2 length, 2 breadth. I don't want a cacat rectangle. How many? 6, 1, 3, 13. What is that? 1, 6. 1, 6. Okay, so down here is 3 units for breadth. There's 2, 3 units, so 6. So altogether, you know how to do lah. 16 units is equals to 48. 1 unit, 48 divided by 16. Now what do you get?
3.
3. So 1 unit is 3. So you can find the breadth. Breadth is 3 units. 3 times 3, 9. Breadth is 9 units. Okay, then the area, you find 5 times 3, 15. So 15, so you can find that. Okay, I will run through again. I'm not too sure whether you'll get it. So 1 unit is 3. So now they tell you 3 units is for the breadth. So see 3 times 3 get 9. So this is breadth. This is now answered down here. What about length? Length is 5 units. 5 times 3 is the length. You get 15.
What's the length?
The length is 15 cm because down here is 5 units. 5 units is the length. So 5 times 3 is 15. So they ask you to find the area. Area is 50. So length is 15. Breadth is 9. So 15 times 9 lah. And your answer is 135 square cm. Okay. Okay, you got any questions for me, not? Mr. Ilhan or Zahin? No. Zahin, any questions? No. Ilhan, any questions? Ilhan is a rabbit now. Okay, then in that case, we will no. Okay, then we will stop here and see you next week then. All right, any questions, please highlight to me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.